Plant cells are eukaryotic cells. Example, the DNA in a plant cell is enclosed within the nucleus. The most important distinctive structure of a plant cell is the presence of the cell wall outside the cell membrane. Cell wall is the outermost rigid covering of the plant cell. It is a salient feature of plant cell. The cell wall is a rigid layer that surrounds the plant cells. It is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is a characteristic feature to cells of plants. Plant cell walls are primarily made up of cellulose. Plant cell wall consists of 3 layers: the primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and the middle lamella.
Cell membrane, the thin layer of protein and fat that surrounds the cell. The cell membrane is semi-permeable, allowing some substances to pass into the cell and blocking others. The cell membrane is selectively permeable to ions and organic molecules and controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell.
Cytoplasm, the jelly-like material outside the cell nucleus in which the organelles are located. Cytoplasm is responsible for giving a cell its shape. It helps to fill out the cell and keep organelles in their place. Without cytoplasm, the cell would be deflate and material would not be able to pass easily from one organelle to another.
Vacuole, fluid-filled membrane surrounded cavities inside a cell. The vacuole fills with food being digested and waste material that is on its way out of the cell. Vacuoles are storage bubbles found in cells. They are found in both animal and plant cells but are much larger in plant cells. Vacuoles might store food or any variety or nutrients a cell might need to survive. They can even store waste products so the rest of the cell is protected from contamination.
Chloroplast is a plastid with green pigment, chlorophyll. It traps light energy and converts it to chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. It is a gel-like matrix inside enclosed by the cell membrane. The cytoplasm supports cell organelles and also prevents the cell from bursting or shrinking.
Mitochondrion, spherical to rod-shaped organelles with a double membrane. The inner membrane is infolded many times, forming a series of projections called cristae. The mitochondrion converts the energy stored in glucose into ATP. Adenosine triphosphate for the cell. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell.
Endoplasmic reticulum are membrane-covered organelles that transport materials. Endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane-bound compartment, which look like flattened sacs lined side by side. It is a large network of interconnecting membrane tunnels. It is composed of both rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Ribosome, small organelles composed of RNA-rich cytoplasmic granules that are sites of protein synthesis. Ribosomes are made from complexes of RNAs and proteins. The number of ribosomes in a cell depends on the activity of the cell. Ribosomes are freely suspended in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, forming the rough endoplasmic reticulum. A lysosome is a type of membrane bound in the organelle that is present in animal cells.
Nucleus, spherical body containing many organelles, including the nucleolus. The nucleus controls many of the functions of the cell by controlling protein synthesis and contains DNA in chromosomes